Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Someone was asking a question regarding a sentence. For example, it says here, the sentence was سمعت إماما يقول الحج واجب, something like that. So سمعت فاعل الإمامة, سمعت إماما نكرة. I heard a scholar or an imam, and يقول, the sentence, what's that sentence becoming? So is it a hal or is it a not? So the first thing is, if you understand here, is that the hal shows a temporary state. The purpose of a hal, the asal of a hal, is it shows a temporary state of the fa'il or the maf'ul bihi, maf'ul bihi sari or maf'ul bihi ghayr sari, at the time of the verb. So for example, if you have two sentences, جاء زيد, جاء الرجل, جاء الرجل, جاء الرجل. So if it's جاء الرجل راكبا, that means that when he came, what was he doing? Riding. But if you say جاء الرجل الراكب, this means that this person, what is he? He's a jockey basically. That's his quality. So a nat shows a long-term quality, and a hal shows a temporary state. Only that state is only necessary when at the time of the action. Correct. Okay, that's one. So here, according to that, سمعت إماما يقول الحج واجب, this should be the hal, because يقول is saying that when I heard the imam, he was saying this, and him saying this is not long-term quality, is it? It's short-term. Once I heard him, he was saying the hajj is wajib, so therefore it should be a hal. However, there's another masala which mentions is mentioned also all the books, that the dhul hal has to be what? وَأَصْلُ dhul hal أَن يَكُونَ مَعْرِفَةً. The dhul hal has to be ma'rifah, it can't be nakira. And if the dhul hal is nakira, there must be a musawwigh, meaning it must be either nakira ghayr mahdha, it must be muqaddam, all of these things. So this mas'ala has only come about from this mas'ala. I guess remember how our nahwa is structured and formed. Most of our nahwa is Basri nahwa, and most of it is from Ibn Malik. So what Ibn Malik says, his alfi has become the standard, and then whatever he said, and then after that what Ibn Hisham has mentioned, the sharaf, that has become the standard. So a lot of the Kufi opinions, a lot of the other Basri opinions, even the Andalusi opinions, which are not mentioned. So if you look at it here, this opinion is only the opinion, the masala that the dhul hal must be nakir, the dhul hal must be ma'rifah, or it must have a musawwigh, must have one of these things allowed to ma'rifah, but allowed to be dhul hal. This is only the opinion of Khalil, and I think Yunus rahimahumullah. They narrate from Saybwi, and it's also narrated from Abu Hayyan, that having the hal as a nakira is maqis, meaning it is standard, it can happen. It is not necessarily that it has to be a ma'rifah. Do you understand? So if we look at it, put all it together, if you look at the meaning, it's a temporary state. So for example, if you say in the Quran, what says Allah in the Quran? إِنَّا سَمِعْنَا مُنَادِيًا يُنَادِي لِلْإِيمَانِ آمِنُوا بِرَبِّكُم. Yes? So let's say, for example, let me get an example. It's an easy example. If you say, for example, سَمِعْتُ رَجُلًا يَقُولُ إِنِّي مُسْلِمٌ. If you meant by this, يَقُول, that I heard him saying, I could hear the words from his mouth, then what does that mean? What's that going to become? يَقُول, what's that? Hal. But if he's saying, he doesn't say it, but this is his belief, this is what he stands for, then what could he make it? A not. Do you understand? So the rule that the dhul hal has to be a nakira, has to be ma'rifah, that's only according to some, that's the later Basri school, and all those who have followed Ibn Malik and from his Alfiya onwards. But if you go back higher with other people, they said, Sayyid as well, it is not necessary, it is maqis. And if you look at the meaning, but both together, it is better to make it, in my opinion, to make it, this example, make it a hal, a short-term quality. But if you make it a not, then that's standard. But this is the reason why I have made it a what have I made it? Hal. Got it? So the hal is short term, not is long term, and the masala of the dhul hal having to ma'rifah, if it's ma'rifah, having muqaddam, all those kind of things, those are only that's some opinion, and you see in standard Arabic that this does come about, and the meaning is more of the dhul hal. And also to reinforce this, if you look at anybody who describes the hal, what do they say? The hal is what? لِبَيَانِ هَيْئَةِ الْفَاعِلِ حَالَ صُدُورِ الْفَعِلِ. So if you make it a not, then it's not حَالَ صُدُورِ الْفَعِلِ. You have to make it a hal, because you only heard him saying al-hajj wajibun when he was given the khutbah, when you heard him. So because of that, if you add it all together, it makes it better to say as, in my opinion, to make it as hal. However, if you make it a not, based on all of the Ibn Hisham taqleed and etc., that's not a problem as well. But this is the reason why I said it this way. Wallahu a'lam.